Hi everyone, it's Monday today. Back after a great weekend. Been quite relaxing to be fair this weekend. It's been good. Got a lot done. Been busy but still relaxing. Had plenty of time to chill. Also done quite a lot of work over the weekend as well. But it's been a very productive weekend. Been out to Scarborough in North Yorkshire and got quite a bit done to be fair. But yeah, Monday again, back to work. Got quite a bit to do today. Some phone calls to do, a few places to go, a few things to sort out. But yeah, it's been a great weekend. Back to a productive week. Get a lot done this week. So yeah, what have you got planned today? Let me know what you're doing. Give me a comment, and hopefully you have a great day and a great week. So yeah. Hope to hear from you. But yeah, have a great day. Take care.